So I'm going to quickly show you how you can bring in Xsens tracking to control an avatar in Vizard, the virtual reality software development platform from WorldViz, using the workflow through Motionbuilder. And before you can do this, you must first download and install Vizard MVN animate from Xsens, and this is using Motionbuilder 2018, as well as the Vizard LiveCharacters plugin for Motionbuilder and the Xsens Motionbuilder plugin for 2018. These are the versions as of the time of the making of this video, but could be different in the future as support is updated. And I'm not going to go into detail on installing the plugins, but if you need help with this, you can contact support@worldviz.com. So I have MVN Animate open here with the recorded animation, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the options window, network streamer, and since I'm running Motionbuilder on the same machine, I will keep this at the 127 address. If I was running Motionbuilder on a separate machine, I would put the IP address of that machine in here. And the other option I'm going to make sure is checked is position plus orientation Euler. And so that's how MVN Animate is set up. And so next I'm going to go over to Motionbuilder, and since I've installed the plugin here under Templates, MVN, I'm going to drag in the MVN Live 1 to 4 actors, and then just choose no animation. And on the Navigator tab, you go to I/O Devices, MVN Live plugin, double click, and then just click Online, and that should turn green. And the next step is to drag in the Live Characters actor, and if you don't see the Live Characters folder here, then you'll have to right click and do Add Favorite Path, and then add the path to where you've installed Live Characters. And so here I'm just going to go, so under Fbx characters, I'm going to drag in male, and I'm going to do Fbx Merge, no animation. And next I'm going to select the character under this Navigator tab again, so under Characters, Male, I'm going to change the input type to Character, and select Active. And then under Templates, Devices, I'm going to drag in the Live Characters plugin. And now go back to the Navigator, under I/O Devices again, select Live Characters, and the same thing, I'm going to click Online after changing the character to male. So after changing the character to male, I'm going to click Online, and that'll turn green. And now in the top right under Character Controls, I just want to make sure that the male is selected for character and the source is C1 MVN character. And so now if I play the recorded animation, you'll see that this is controlling the live character here in Motionbuilder. And so lastly, the following thing that I need to do is just run this script in Vizard, which I'll provide a copy to this script in the description. And so if I run this script, and then I need to have Motionbuilder active, it should be controlling the Vizard actor. And so now you can see that this is going from Xsens through Motionbuilder to Vizard. And since this is running in Vizard, I can now add any additional VR hardware equipment or things like physiological measuring devices, eye tracking, and much more. Make sure to subscribe for more virtual reality tutorials from WorldViz. And for more information on Vizard and other virtual reality products that WorldViz offers, contact sales@worldviz.com.